happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and today we are talking about this powerful Realme P4 Power. And in today's video I'm going to give you the top 10 features of this smartphone. This is actually turning heads with its performance, display, camera power, and the biggest battery in any smartphone with a whopping 10,001 mAh battery. So just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above, as I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect and all sorts. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification to upload any video. You'll actually be notified. Now I've done a unboxing and review of this smartphone, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you check out my Allsortzz channel, or you can check out the link in the description box below. And if you want to see any other videos with this smartphone, let me know in the comments. So let me tell you the top 10 features of this Realme P4 Power smartphone. At number 10, we are talking about the design and build. The Realme P4 Power sports a sleek, modern design with a glass-like finish and a slim profile. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and looks premium than the price tag it suggests. It has a glass front with a plastic frame and a plastic back as well. It is a dual nano SIM card, IP69 dust and water resistant as well. But like I said, if you want to see a full review of this, make sure you check out my previous video. At number 9 is the gorgeous 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus as well. The resolution is 1280 times 2800 pixels. It's got a Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Whether you're gaming, binge watching, the immersive screen makes everything pop out. Sticking with the screen, at number 8, we're going to talk about the 144Hz refresh rate. This makes scrolling really smooth and gives you an edge in fast-paced games. Perfect if you're a mobile gamer, because not only do you get the refresh rate at 144Hz, you've also got the whopping battery, which I will tell you later in the video on how much mAh it is. Which brings me to the next feature, is the performance. Now this has a chipset of a MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra. Now it's perfect for power for multitasking, editing videos, running heavy apps without it even slowing down. You can actually check more of the features if you go into settings, about device, and it will actually tell you there what the processor is, how big the battery is, how much RAM you've got, and everything about this phone. So it actually packs a lot of power, mAh when it comes to the battery. Chipset is powerful. What more do you want when it comes to either editing videos, gaming, or even taking high quality pictures and videos? This phone packs everything. Okay, let me talk to you about the main feature of this smartphone. Now you've seen it in probably the other features, and also if you've seen the unboxing review, you would know in the title, this Realme P4 Power has an absolute beast of a battery. The first smartphone to have over a 10,000 mAh cycle as well. So you get a massive battery capacity, ultra fast charging support, which is 80 watt. So you can actually spend more time using your phone and less time being plugged in. What do you think? Even though it actually is a little bit thick, but not really thick, this is actually really a powerful smartphone. I might have to do a battery test to see how long it will actually last, but for over 10,000 mAh battery, it will take ages from 100% down to 0. Next up is the pro level camera. So it's a dual lens camera setup. You have a 50 megapixel wide camera with OIS and an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. You've also got a color spectrum sensor as well, so you can shoot stunning landscapes, crisp portraits, and detailed night shots, plus a powerful video stabilization as well. Coming to the selfie camera, you have a 16 megapixel wide camera, and it can record 1080p at 30 frames per second. At number 4, I'm going to give it the AI. Now, Realme have their own AI. It's called Next AI, and here are some of the features you can actually use. So the Realme UI brings intuitive features like smart app predictions, adaptive display tones, intelligent battery optimization for smoother and smarter usage. And if you're going to Next AI, you can actually use any of these, whether it be the translate, camera, writer, gaming coach, smart loop. So if you've got pictures that you've got something inside it that you don't want, go into camera and AI will actually take it out for you. So there's a lot of features that you need to get used to when it comes to using this phone when AI is involved. So if you want to see a full in-depth video of the Next AI on this Realme, then let me know in the comment section below. I'll dedicate a separate video just for that. At number 3, I am going to give it to one of the security features with this phone, which is the in-display fingerprint sensor. Look how fast it is. Look at that. It's really easy to set up. You can put multiple fingers or thumbs or whatever you want on there. I've not got the left thumb, but I've got the right thumb. Look how responsive it is as well. You've also got face unlock, which I've not set up, but the main one is the fingerprint under display fingerprint sensor. So that is a must-have when it comes to a powerful smartphone of this kind. Number 2, I am going to give it the charging. Now this has a 80-watt fast charger already in the box as well, so you don't need to go out and purchase one from there. Even though it has a 10,000 mAh battery, it does need a powerful charger as well, so it will actually give you 50% in 36 minutes. It also has a 27-watt reversed or wired charging, and it also has bypass charging, which you can sort out from the settings. Number 1, I am going to give this an incredible value for money. This phone with a 10,000 mAh battery, 50 megapixel camera, in-display fingerprint sensor, loads of other features as well. You actually will cost you £250. So I am going to give it value for money. It has flagship level specs, powerful design, powerful camera, unbeatable battery life, and it will actually cost you a fraction of the price of the flagship smartphone. You can get this in 3 different colors: the flash orange, which I have here, and also a power silver and a blue color. Is this the color that you will choose? Let me know in the comment section below. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the top 10 features of this Realme P4 Power smartphone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share it out, because people will be wanting to buy this phone, but they need to know what the best features are when it comes to this Realme P4 Power. Like I said before, if you want to see any other videos with this smartphone, please do let me know in the comment sections below. Make sure you check out my previous video unboxing review of this phone, and also if you want to message me on any video ideas, make sure you check out my social media and make sure you follow for that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you again for another video.